What is going on, everybody? This is Josh back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a little bit different because I finally got my hands on some new tech. I've been rocking with the Note 10 Plus for I think going on 2 years now, and I've been wanting the Z Fold for probably since it was released. Now I didn't want the first one because that front display was extremely small. I didn't want the second one because again the front display was small. Now the third one came around and I had the choice. I was waiting for the Note 21 Ultra to come out. That's the one I wanted, but they didn't release it this year. They might release it next year. So I was like, whatever phone comes out, if it's the Note 21 Ultra or if it's the Fold, I'm going to get it. So it was the Fold that ended up coming out, and that's what I decided to get. And luckily they had a lot of promotions or a lot of offers if you were to get it. They released the new watch that came with it. I used to have the Galaxy S2 Classic. I didn't really like that one that much, only because of the whole Tizen thing. The main reason why I wanted this one is because they actually added Google or Wear OS or something like that. So it's basically, it has, you can install Google apps into it, and if you had the old school watch, you really couldn't do that because this is the first one that's actually like an Android watch. So I got very excited whenever the Fold was going to come out. I saw that it was going to be coming with an S Pen. You do have to buy it separately. So I basically was able to get a bunch of this stuff with offers and things like that. So I didn't want the Buds though, the Galaxy Buds 2, because I already have enough of them. I mean, I have the Pros, I have the regular ones, the regular Buds. I even have the white version just because I got them with the S8 a while back. And my wife even has some Pros as well. So I got a couple of them. So I wasn't going to get it, but family member did come through and he was able to get it for me. So I got me some of these as well. So yeah, I got the Buds too as well. And I've actually been using them for the past week, and I'm definitely going to drop a review on that one. I didn't want to do an unboxing because everybody's already seen enough unboxing so far. So I figured I'll just do a review on them and let you know what I think so far. But yeah, that'll come soon after a while. But in the meantime, let's look at this Ultra or this Fold. Now I've already opened it because I was too excited. So as you can see, it's already been opened. So I honestly just took it out the box. You only get a cable with it. That's basically it. And, you know, you get the phone. And I've actually already connected it. This is actually my first Fold phone, and I was excited to finally get my hands on this. But, I mean, I kind of was a little bit let down too because, I mean, I don't like the front display. I really don't like it. Like, if I'm over here trying to type something, let me get it real quick. If I want to type something, look how small that keyboard is. That keyboard is small, so see, I'm over here trying to type something and it didn't do it the way I did it. But I really don't like this front display. I honestly feel like Samsung is kind of just holding back on this front display because I think Huawei did it where the front display is actually the same size as an actual phone. And I'm over here thinking, if they can do it, how come Samsung can't do it? So I honestly feel like they don't want to throw everything at once with this phone. So I think that the next ones is going to start getting bigger, kind of like the way they did the iPhone. The iPhone was extremely small, and then little by little it started getting bigger. This kind of reminds me of like an iPhone 5, because the iPhone 4 was like something like this big, and then all they did was just made it taller. So I kind of feel like this is going to be something like that, where they're starting off small, and then after the next couple folds, the front display is going to get wider, and it might even get a lot better. But this is my first time actually holding this phone. I actually bought it with my own money, and I'm actually very excited for this one. So I haven't messed with it. I just put some random stuff into this. I haven't done nothing to it whatsoever. So I'm very excited. I'm definitely going to be owning this phone for the next year or two because I do not buy phones very often. But yeah, it did come with a wireless charger, and you can charge your watch and your phone here. It does have indicators, so it'll let you know if it's dead, so it'll be red, and then once it's charged fully completely, it'll turn green. So it did come with that. It did come with this charger too as well. It's just a 25 watt, really nothing too big, and some smart tags. So yeah, that's definitely going to come in handy. Now, I only wanted this because it came with the S Pen, and if you're a Note user like me, you use that S Pen a lot. And I honestly wish that they did find a way to put it in here, or maybe kind of like in the back, but they didn't do that. So the case, I don't really like it that much. So if you look at it, I've seen a couple of reviews on this. The case is not all that, in my opinion. So it's just a slap-on case. That's it, and that's it. Here, let me get it out this way. So this is basically it. So I did notice that when you open it, it does turn on the phone, and when you close it, if you kind of can see it here, see how there's nothing there, but then once you start opening it, it does expose it. But it's not magnet. I mean, I don't know what it is. See, it doesn't hold on. It just hangs onto it. And I don't like that at all. I really only wanted it because I saw that you can put the S Pen in here. And that's the only reason why I actually got this case. But I don't like this at all. If I'm over here trying to type, like I have to hold on to this. And even if I try to fold it back, it just feels weird just trying to do it like this. I don't like it at all. And I saw that when you open it, you still got this piece hanging out. Now, I did watch a video. This guy did kind of like jerry rigged it. He actually he actually cut this off. And that's something that I was thinking about doing. I was wondering if I could just cut this off and then somehow put like a Velcro right here to just attach it here. But then I was like, how am I going to open it if I do something like that? So that idea went out the window. So I thought maybe if I can just cut it right here, and basically, since this thing comes off right here, since it comes off, my thoughts were, what if I just put it right here? Somehow I'll put it here. So I'll basically cut this whole piece off, cut it off, and then I will get this piece right here and just glue it right here, and then just put this like that. And then it'll be in kind of like the Tab S6 and 7. It'll basically be something like this where you can actually put the pen right here. And I actually saw a guy do this, and he actually super glued it. It does look okay. I'll definitely drop a link in the description so you can check out his video, because I actually like the way he did it. So I think I'm going to do something like this. If not, because I am getting other cases. I'm getting some Speedgen ones. I didn't buy I think it was the Tough Armor one, that big bulky one. I didn't get that one because I am not going to carry something that big in my pocket. So plus I work in an office, so I think I'll be good. I think what I'll probably do is maybe somehow buy like a magnet strip right here. Just put the magnet strip here and put one here, and then somehow just magnetize it like this. And I'll probably do that with all the other cases. Just put another magnet strip, and then just constantly do it where it can just, you know, be attached by magnet. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. My wife definitely does not want me to cut this piece off, even though I got it for free. She does not want me to cut it off. But I just don't like it. I mean, imagine you trying to take a picture. You're like this. You have to hold on to this like this. So you're over here like this trying to take a picture. I don't like that at all. So I think I'm going to mess with it. Try to see if I can figure something out. I haven't messed with none of this, honestly. I'm definitely going to do a review on it. And I haven't messed with it whatsoever. I did see the S Pen. The only thing I didn't like that it wasn't Bluetooth. And I actually use the Bluetooth feature here and there when I'm taking pictures. So let me show you a quick comparison, all right? This is the Fold one. This is what comes with the Note 10 Plus. And this is, now if you got an S21 Ultra, This is what comes with the S21. Let me organize it again. All right. You got the Note 10 Plus, S21 Ultra, and then the Fold. So you can tell the Fold is a little bit bigger and it is a little bit thicker. And I also have one more comparison, which is the one that comes with my tablet, the Tab S6. So you can kind of see a little bit of a comparison of all four of them. I only like the Bluetooth functionality of this. I don't like that it's really small. Now, when you get this one, it does get a little bit bigger. But then when you come to this one, it just gets rounder and a little bit thicker. So I kind of like this one a little bit as well. So, but yeah, that's kind of a little bit of a comparison of all the S Pens that I have so far and kind of what you can expect. So if you are a Note 10 user, you're most likely going to jump from here to here. I'm hoping they don't discontinue the Note devices, because I actually like the fact that you can put it under, like in the body of the phone. I actually like that. I like the fact that you can put it, you click this, and then it just comes out. So I'm hoping they don't discontinue it, but I don't know. I'm very excited to try this one out, so I can't wait to actually mess with the settings, do the way I want to do it, because I haven't done anything so far. I know I was on YouTube just watching certain videos, and the sound is actually pretty loud though, so. And I did mess with kind of like the flex mode, where if you do this to it, I guess I can't get it to work right now. See, this is what I'm telling you. I need to mess with it. I haven't even messed with it whatsoever. But so far, just by like touching it and doing everything, it's not as delicate as a lot of people think. It really isn't. I mean, when my wife first grabbed this, she was like, oh my God, I don't want to break it. It really is not that delicate. Now, I would say that it does attract some fingerprints. Like this back piece does get a little bit dirty. Same thing with this right here. See, this one, like, it attracts a lot of fingerprints. So you are going to need a microfiber cloth. I do got a couple of things coming in. I do got some Spigen cases. And look, you can actually see it wobbles. It doesn't stay flushed. So I do got a couple of things coming in. I got a Spigen case. I only ordered like maybe 2 of them that I actually wanted to try out. I do have the I think it's WhiteStone screen protector. It's a tempered glass that goes right here on the front. So I'm definitely going to try that out with this case to see if it does anything. I'm also going to try it out with the Spigen cases to see if it lifts up on the side or anything like that. But yeah, I haven't messed with it yet, so I'm definitely going to drop some more reviews on it. I did notice that the speaker grill is a lot more bigger, or not a lot, but it is a little bit bigger compared to the Fold 2. I don't have a Fold 2, but I've seen a bunch of reviews to let you know that it is bigger from the speaker grills. I didn't like the fact that the camera is basically the same as the Fold 2. I wish they actually updated it to make it look like the Ultra, but they did not do that either. Honestly, I kind of feel like the only thing they did to this phone was make it supposedly a little bit tougher. They made it water resistant, and they added an S Pen. Honestly, feel like that's all they did. So if you do have the Fold 2, I probably wouldn't get this. But since I don't have the 1 or the 2, and this is my first Fold, I was like, I might as well just get it since they didn't come out with a Note 21 Ultra. I kind of feel like maybe next year they'll come out with the Note 21 Ultra, and they won't come out with the Fold. That's what I kind of feel like they'll end up doing because of the whole chip shortages. But I honestly don't know. But either way, let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely going to drop more videos on this. I am going to drop more videos on these buds as well. So I do got a lot more things coming in. So let me know what you guys think. I'm also going to be testing this out as well. See how it works. And luckily, since this is a fast wireless charge, even though it kind of doesn't say it, it is a fast wireless charge. I'm definitely going to test all these out. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment. And especially do not forget to subscribe if you definitely want to check more out. This is going to be my main phone for the next year or two. So I'm definitely going to be dropping a lot of videos on this. I'm definitely going to let you know how it holds up, since it is going to be my main phone. I'm not going to be switching to anything. So let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.